Right, we're integrating by parts here, and you're given the formula for integrating by parts in your formula book. It looks like this. It goes u dv dx equals uv minus v du dx. Alright, so we've got to work out what bit we want to have as u and what bit we want to have as dv dx first of all. Now there is a way of choosing known by the acronym LATE. So you want logarithms going to be u first, then algebra, then trigonometry, then exponentials. So I've got logarithms, so I'm going to say u equals ln x. Now often, we're going to differentiate that, I should add. That's often the differential, okay, the 1 over x will cancel with something or join up with, simplify to make it a lot easier. So dv dx, here we go, dv dx is going to be, what is that, x to the minus 3. So v is going to be minus a half x to the minus 2. Okay, don't have to worry about plus c as far as that's concerned. Now then, let's stick everything in the formula. So uv, we've got minus a half x to the minus 2 ln x minus the integral of v du. So we've got minus a half x to the minus 2 times 1 over x dx. Let's simplify that. So I've got minus x. Right, this bit's not going to change. Okay, now minus. Now this is going to be minus a half x to the minus 3 dx, and then I just integrate that, and I get minus a half x squared. This bit's not going to change. Okay, x, and it's going to end up being, you've got to be careful with your negatives here, minus a quarter x to the minus 2 plus c. Right, and I wouldn't bother trying to simplify it from there, that's perfectly alright then. Okay, looking at the second one, I'm not going to rewrite the formula again, but I've got to decide what bit's got to be u. Now I've got algebra here and I've got trigonometry here, so a comes before t, so u's going to be x, and so look at this, du dx equals 1. Hooray, that's going to be handy, I can tell already. Dv dx is going to be cos 2x. Oh dear, can't write all of a sudden. Cos 2x, so therefore v is going to be a half sine of 2x. Stick everything in the formula, we're going to get uv, so we've got half x sine 2x minus the integral of 1 times, or cos 2x times 1 dx. Alright, so cos 2x dx sorted. Right, here we go, half and okay, now cos integrates to hold on, oh, what am I doing? Oh jeez, I've made a mistake there, haven't I? I should have a v du, it should be in there, so it should be a half sine 2x, not cos 2x. I do apologise. And so I'm going to end up with, now that's going to be, sine integrates to minus cos, doesn't it? So we're going to have minus a quarter cos 2x plus c. Alright, so the key bit is choosing what to be u and what to be v. What to be dv dx, I should say. So u, use late. Logarithms first, algebra next, trigonometry after that, then exponentials. Right? If you get that the wrong way round, you'll end up going around in circles more often than not. Okay, once you've got that, it's pretty straightforward. Just use the formula.